Hey Northwest, I'm Ian White, and here's what's happening. The ASVAB is coming up on September 25th. This test identifies academic and vocational strengths for both military and civilian paths. This test is for juniors and seniors only. It's totally free to sign up. See your counselors ASAP. Do you need a tutor? Scan this QR code to be matched with a student tutor in any class. The Library Media Center is available for tutoring or reading during Zero Block. Check the weekly Zero Block schedule posted outside of the library door. Bowling tryouts are next Monday and Tuesday at Fannin Lanes from 3:45 to 5 p.m. You will need an updated physical in order to try out. Stop by room B101 and see Coach Toppett to sign up. The Anime Club meets every Thursday morning in Mr. Matthews' room, C204. Everyone is welcome, whether you're a longtime anime fan or brand new to the genre. To join, stop by and grab a permission form in order to be part of this awesome club. Today at 10:05, the last round of homecoming voting will take place. Teachers, make sure your students check their emails, open the voting form, and cast their votes for who will represent their homecoming class this year. And finally, just a reminder, we will be on Cougar Block tomorrow and Friday to complete student vector training and behavior screeners. Make sure to use your time wisely and complete those assignments. That's your news for today. I'm Ian White, and this has been your Northwest Minute.